Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Android accessibility features. First, audible feedback with TalkBack. TalkBack is among the best accessibility features on Android. It offers spoken feedback and context for what's on the screen. Here's how to enable TalkBack. Open Settings and select Accessibility. Select TalkBack, then enable the toggle and press Allow. You can access TalkBack settings from the same page to customize the feature by changing your preferred language and speech rate, and a lot of more. Second, visibility enhancement to help you see better. On Accessibility, tap Visibility Enhancements. Look for the option you want to enable and hit the corresponding toggle to apply. Third, hearing enhancements for those who are hard of hearing. Sounds notifications is also a great feature that notifies you about all the important sounds in your home, like when a smoke alarm beeps or a baby cries. Here are a few that you'll find in the accessibility settings. Other hearing enhancements features include support for live captions, adaptive sound preset to match your age, the ability to amplify ambient sound, and more. Fourth, features to enhance interaction and dexterity. On Accessibility, tap on Interaction and Dexterity. Some other interaction and dexterity options include the ability to change the touch settings to make your device ignore repeated touches or change its touch and hold delay. Notably, you can also make your device read caller names aloud and answer the calls automatically, so you can avoid manual inputs. And that's all. Thank you for watching these videos, and see you again on the next videos.